Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we'll be delving into how you can revolutionize your maintenance work and inventory management using some smart tips from UpKeep. We will explore 3 top strategies to help you manage your inventory like a pro, saving time and resources. But before we dive in, let's get acquainted with UpKeep's maintenance management. As the name suggests, our computerized maintenance management system is designed to keep all your work orders, inventory, and reports in one convenient spot. It also allows you to communicate with your team and create new inventory requests seamlessly. By increasing visibility and productivity, our computerized maintenance management system can save you some serious money. Now, on to our first tip. Use a database that stores all of your inventory. With our maintenance management software, you can say goodbye to the hassle of creating multiple files to store your data. Our mobile work order software lets you create a work order in minutes, snap a picture of the damage, and send it off for repair, all from your phone. The best part? You can customize the software to make it work for you. Our customizable software includes forms that let you use different measuring tools, create checklists, and set priority levels for important tasks. Plus, our user-friendly system lets you sync your devices so you can save and access files from anywhere. Moving on to the second tip, know how much stock you have and access it from anywhere. UpKeep's work order forms let you track specific information about your inventory and work orders. Our asset management reporting feature saves your previous work orders to create preventative maintenance schedules. With our mobile and desktop applications, you can save time and resources and stay updated with tasks on the go. And last, but certainly not least, our third tip. Set minimum quantity thresholds and reorder information. Boost your productivity by submitting work orders ahead of time. Set a minimum quantity for your resources and order more before you run out. So there you have it. 3 smart tips to get the most out of UpKeep and manage your inventory like a boss. Remember, with UpKeep, you're not just managing your inventory, you're revolutionizing the way you do maintenance and reliability. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered 3 key strategies to revolutionize your maintenance work and inventory management using UpKeep's computerized maintenance management system. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and insights. For more information, please visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you manage your inventory like a pro.